So welcome back everyone, Mike here. I am in Paradox Valley, Colorado right now. You probably won't see this video for a few days. Matter of fact, I'll probably be home by the time you see this video. I don't have much internet service, no cell phone signal at all. At this house right here behind me, I can get a little bit of Wi-Fi. We're allowed to use it. Not real good, but I'm out here hunting right now. We've had a great trip so far. This is day one. And we hunted this morning, and we're going to go back out this afternoon. I'll try to explain how you hunt these elk out here. This is the first time I've ever been out here, but I'll tell you what we're doing and what the guide has us doing. So you probably can't see with this little camera. It's got kind of a wide angle, but it's a beautiful view from right here. Way over there, you can see Utah. There's some mountains there that are snow covered. Well, we're hunting down here in this valley. This is Paradox Valley, and you know, they've got some hay fields. Over at the bottom of those mountains over there, some cedar trees, and you have tamarack, and the elk kind of bed down in there during the day, and then in the evening they'll come out to these fields about the last hour of daylight. So your best chance to see one is first thing in the morning or right before dark. Now last night we went scouting around a little bit, and we saw several nice bull. This morning I saw a 10 elk, one spike. But the weather's beautiful so far. It was pretty cold this morning, probably about 26 degrees. But it's up to about 55 degrees right now in the afternoon here. Clear as a bell. Very minimal wind, which I'm kind of surprised. But yeah, beautiful day here. Way over that way, that's the east. My house is about 1,800 miles that direction, but in between here and there, way over there, I can see some snow-covered mountains. I'm thinking that's over around Telluride, Colorado. But it's kind of a neat place right here. You got red rock, but down in this valley, it's nice and flat here. And this is a beautiful little cabin here. Let me show you this place. Now, this isn't where we're staying. We're staying in another house. Just a couple hundred yards from here, but this is a really nice cabin here. Real nice place. So this evening, I'm going to be hunting probably about a half mile from where we're at. There's some cottonwood trees over there, and on the other side of that there's some of that tamarack, and that's where I'm going to be this evening. So hopefully we'll have some luck. Either way, it's just nice being out here. It really is. I'll probably get a few pictures from like where I'm hunting and things like that, but as far as shooting any video when I'm out hunting, you probably won't see much of that. There's just a lot of area to cover and a lot going on, so I probably won't have time to be using the cameras much, but we'll definitely get some good pictures, and I'll give you updates every once in a while. And like I said, you probably won't even see this video until I get back or close to it, by the time I get them edited and find somewhere to upload 4K video. On the way out, I stopped at a hotel, my buddy and I went to upload a video, and they had decent Wi-Fi there. And I think it was 4 hours or something, so I never got that one uploaded. But anyway, that's it for now. I will report back later on. Oh, and this here's pretty cool. I got like a little western town built right here next to this house. And down below there's some hay barns and stuff. I'll be darned, they do exist. Moab, Utah. All right, I'm back. It is day 2 of the elk hunt in Colorado. We're getting ready to go out for the afternoon hunt. This morning we went out. We didn't see any, but we had some bull elk bugling right out in front of us in some tamarack. They're probably a couple hundred yards out, but what happens is they bed down in there and don't come out till later in the evening. So we're getting ready to head back out now. I'll try to get some pictures when I'm out there. We'll see how it goes, but it's another beautiful day out here. It was real cold this morning, probably about 24, 26 degrees, and it's up to probably almost 70 degrees right now. So hopefully we see something this evening, and I will report back in a bit. All right, it is day 3 out here in Colorado. Actually, right now I'm in Utah. I'm guessing 10 or 12 miles from the Colorado line. I think I mentioned the other day, we hunt in the morning, in the evening. What we do, we're hunting in Paradox Valley, and what happens is the elk come out of the higher country at night down into the fields, and you try to catch them when they come in, and then you go out first thing in the morning and try to catch them when they go back out. But so far we haven't gotten an elk, but we've seen a lot of them. It's just such big country out here. You know, you can see them maybe a mile off, but you get into like that tamarack and stuff. I'm learning all this stuff, by the way. They literally just disappear. For such a large animal, it's amazing when you see a herd of 40 or 50 of them, and you know, they go into somewhere and they're gone. You can sit there in glass all morning long and you won't see them again. So they're pretty elusive animal, but we're having a great time out here. Right now I'm gonna head back down to camp and get ready for the evening hunt, but I just went out for a little ride here around lunchtime here. It is just beautiful country, completely different than what I'm used to. But believe it or not, you hunt elk pretty much the same way we hunt deer at home. It's just everything is in a much larger scale out here. There's so much open ground. But anyway, I think that's it for today's video. I'm not sure when you'll see this. Like I said, I'll probably be home by the time you see this. Internet and Wi-Fi, all that is a very hard thing to find out here, which I kind of expected that. But anyway, thanks for watching, and like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.